What it do, gang? Boy, Drip for Trap. Back with another video. See what I got here in Columbus, Indiana. Just dropped my trailer, dropped my Conestoga, picked up a drop van. That's what I got, man. A load of forklifts. 5 of them. One dropping in Kentucky, four dropping in Louisville. South Carolina, I'm sorry. One dropping in Kentucky, outside of Louisville, and then the other one dropping in Piedmont, South Carolina. So if everything go good, since try to have all this off Tuesday morning. Try to get Lexington off first thing. Now if I can get to South Carolina tomorrow afternoon, Sunday, it's gonna be pushing, but I'm gonna try. But see, what holds me up with a Conestoga, you just throw 2 chains on each one, you good. See, I gotta come in here, beat the doggone stuff out with a sledgehammer, and that's what holds you up. Which I'm gonna get to where I'm going tonight and probably go ahead and break this one loose. So when I pull in, all I can do is drive it off, and then work my way on down to South Carolina. So yeah, gang, back on driving. It'll be a lot of work. Bikini bottom, but yeah. Grind don't stop, man. I'm trying to prepare myself mentally for this work. That sledgehammer ain't no joke with that crowbar. So yeah, gang, out here, man. Just dropped my other trailer hooking up. I had to take everything, paperwork in the truck, check the tires, slide the tandem, man. Hopefully we get the hell out of here. Let's see what we got. One thing I learned about this company with their trailers, man, they took my Conestoga from because, man, it was raggedy. Oh my God, that was one of the raggedy trailers I ever seen. I just dropped this one right here. They told me to put it right there. But a lot of their trailers got holes in the roof, man, and the Conestoga was bad. I don't have not one glove on. Oh boy. See how strong I am. Sheesh. Man, weight be sitting on this thing, man. There we go. Might go ahead and slide the tandems while I'm. Oh, it's tight. Trying to get back in shape too. Been working out. See if I can slide the tandems. Air ride, so that's a good thing. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Sorry about all the bumping and moving, gang. Ha! There we go. Sometimes you gotta rock forward, then rock back and slide it, depending on how long the trailer been sitting. All right. Bat it up. Now I'm gonna set the brake. I released the trailer brake. There you go. So you ain't gotta get out. Once you do press you'll release the brake. Push in the supply. Use your trailer brake. That's how I lock everything. But I'm still get out of check. But yeah, just to get out right now. Yeah. It's tight in here, man. They told me to drop my trailer there, so I ain't have to worry about backing into this tight thing. Cause people done took the bumpers off. People done, yeah. 2 hours and 9 minutes, straight 65, cut across. Yeah, I go quickest way. I'm delivering to actually a truck company, Estes. Then they got the black and yellow trucks. Yeah. Missing my football, but it is what it is. They've been home about 3 weeks. Going home. Get home, figure out what I'm gonna do, man. I know I'm probably going local. Unless they can put me on something local. Cause it ain't it right now, man. Stop, make sure everything is copacetic. Trailers out right there. They got trailers out everywhere, man. I guess they be wanting trailers in certain places. You got all the containers behind me in the motor, so can't stop. Yep, see, everything is in. I had to check my tires. We're getting ready to roll. Slid the trailer up all the way up. We didn't have to, but I did. My weight's not a factor, so yeah. So, let's get it, man. It's about to jump on the highway, gang. Head on to Kentucky. All right, gang, so we headed to Kentucky. See y'all when I get there, man. The only way we're going is up. We ain't looking back. Believing in yourself. And just going, man. Going for it, man. I said, it hurts me, guys. This is my passion, but I feel like I gotta take a break from it. So 9 years in, that comes a lot from it, but 32 now. Starting out 23, it's like, okay. It's more I got left I want to do. I don't want my life just to be, oh, he driving trucks for a living. I want to be able to supply more. So, we out here, man. Like I said, we out of here. Ready to go on the road. And, you know, just right here too. Everything is one thing about trucking, they love sending you to the tightest places. And then you gotta about tear your stuff up to get out. Gang, we out of here, man. Catch y'all later. All right, gang, so we're in Kentucky. I'm delivering right here to Estes. As you can see that. Gate up, I mean, ain't nobody here, so I feel I won't be able to get unloaded till in the morning anyway. So we made it, man. Time to sweat. Take this hoodie off. So they for the week, yeah, been inside one of these things in the summertime. God, wind blowing pretty good, so I got the door open already. So, about to knock this out real quick. So, yeah, gang. Catch y'all in a minute. This ain't no joke. It's all good though. All right, gang. So I got everything broke down. Seen the yard driver. He said they open around 7 in the morning, 8 in the morning. So yeah, gang, I'm gonna see what goes on, what happens. So about to give me some sleep, man. Kick back, relax, give me some sleep, man. I'll catch y'all in the morning. All right, gang, so got unloaded last night around like 3 in the morning. About to pull out, get on down to South Carolina so I get all this shit off today. Might not get a load today, but about to pull on out of here, man. Big pre-trip and everything. So yeah, gang, about to hit the highway. See what we got when I get there. Off she go. Off she go. All right, gang. So after a long day driving from Kentucky all the way to South Carolina, getting unloaded, and I went to the truck stop, took a shower, tired about to lay down, but got the load off, man. Delivered it. Got to pick up a load tomorrow and go right back to Louisville, Kentucky. Don't want to, but it's what it is. So yeah, I did it, gang. So I made it. Everything is off. See, I'm tired as hell. About to lay down. Got to be up at like 8 in the morning. No, 7 in the morning. 8 o'clock appointment. So continue to chase your dream. Continue to chase your goals. See that like button, comment, subscribe, man. We headed to the top. Till next time, gang. Peace.